So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's the extra video. In this video I'm show you guys is how you can create an add-on domain. Now what is an add-on domain? An add-on domain is a domain of which you bought. Possibly you don't have an hosting for that particular domain you bought, but you already have an existing hosting and you want to connect that domain you bought to the hosting you already had. Okay, so you already have a domain and a hosting, and you bought another domain, and possibly you don't have a lot of money to buy hosting for that new domain you bought, but you want to add that domain to the existing hosting plan you got. So if you love what you just heard and you want to know how you can do that, stay tuned and you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button, like, and turn up the notification bell so that you get updated when we make fantastic posts just like this. So quickly, once you logged into your webmanager.com, so webmanager.com is a digital hosting company, is a web hosting company, is so fantastic, and it is my most recommended. A lot of people has testified and they are happy, right? They are happy having their services being hosted on webmanager.com.ng, and it's one of the #1 best hosting company in Nigeria. So quickly, let's create a add-on domain. So once you logged into your webmanager.com.ng, currently you'll be on your client area. So once you're in your client area, you come right here to your services. You're going to hit the services, then you just click on the body of the services right here. Then you come down, you're going to see the login to cPanel. You're going to click on that, and it's going to redirect you to the cPanel, which cPanel also stands for control panel. Okay, so you come down right here and you search for domain, but if you are not seeing it on time, you can come to this search bar right here and you click on domain, then you click right here. Now you're going to click on create a new domain. Okay, let's return to domain. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one so that we can be able to create an add-on domain, just for the sake of this tutorial video. Okay, currently we have just our main primary domain, so you're going to click on create a new domain. So this is what you're going to do right here is that, if let's assume this is the domain you bought, so let's come to the domain right here, register a new domain. And let's say the domain is let's say this is pink tutorial class. So it can be any extension. Let's just search is going to be available because this is a unique name. So let me assume the .ng is available. Then I click on add to cart. Then I went ahead and purchased this domain, right? So let me copy this domain. So let's assume you already bought the domain, because I'm not actually going to buy this because I don't have that money to pay right now. It's just a tutorial purpose. So let's assume we already bought this domain by going out to the checkout. Okay, let's just go through the process of the checking out. So it has no hosting. You can just go ahead and you can just email forwarding free for 1 year. You can just go ahead and click on continue. It has no hosting, as you can see. So you just scroll down. If everything is okay, you click on checkout and say okay, that's my contact info. I'm paying this. Okay, I'm gonna click on complete order. So it's going to prompt you to where you will be able to make your payment. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and redirect us to the payment portal. So please wait, the system is redirecting you to the payment portal. So we're going to wait and ensure our payment is successful. So it's taking a little while, but we just have to wait. So the major of this is that once you already make the purchase, since we're not buying, you want to make a purchase, you come right here and you're going to paste the domain you already bought, right? So you're going to leave this unchecked. Okay, you're going to leave this unchecked, then you come down right here and click on submit. So unfortunately, this domain is not yet purchased, so we don't know the kind of message it's going to prompt to us, but believe me, okay, it was actually added, but we haven't bought this domain, to be very sincere. So that is how you add an add-on domain. So if you click right here and it takes us to our file manager, you're going to see, so everything you're going to be doing, working on pingstutra class.ng, you're going to be working right here in this your IDE, which is your integrated development environment. So you go ahead and upload your script file, your HTML file, your CSS file, your JavaScript, your PHP, and the likes. So that is how you create an add-on domain. So if you love what we do in this channel, ensure you stay tuned to this channel. So I'm going to see you guys in the next class. Bye for now.